Hot seat.
So, David, what can you tell us after last season, Diggle, with his brother, the situation he went through? He had to kind of go and reevaluate where he is. What can you tease about where we're going to find Diggle when season 5 picks
Yes,
up?
Diggle is a man of two minds. He's still, obviously, he's away from his family, away from the team, and he has feelings about that. But he is still working through his crisis as to why he pulled the trigger when he killed his brother last season, and he still feels personally responsible for Canary's death. And I think there's the guilt is for both of those events is affecting him greatly, and you see him working through that at the beginning of season 5. Actually, that's a theme kind of somewhat throughout the season. But actually, I just now even thought about this. It's interesting because at the beginning of this journey, Oliver had a certain way of administering justice in terms of just killing. I think Diggle was very important in changing that philosophy. And but now he's kind of killed indiscriminately, if you will, and he certainly took the life of his brother. And that theme of how you administer justice, I think, is going to be kind of played on. His wife is Amanda Waller, so to speak, as the leader of Argus. She has her finger on the pulse of the Suicide Squad, an organization where you plant bombs in their head so they do your bidding. I think he has an opinion about that. So just how justice gets administered is some of the things we're going to deal with in this season.
Diggle has obviously got his own issues that he's dealing with, as you were saying, but he's also provided a beacon of hope or support for Oliver Queen as well. So, how does he balance those two out, do you think? How does he deal with those things in parallel?
Being a certain symbol of hope for Oliver, and the other one would be
dealing with his own issues that he's got with his brother and everything else.
I think that's part of the challenge for the season. And certainly how the new team plays into that, I think, is important. He's going to have an opinion about coming back and finding new team members, new quote-unquote inexperienced team members. So all these questions will be answered. I don't know how Diggle's going to deal with that, to be honest with you, as an actor. Diggle bleeds red, white, and blue, and he's been loyal, if you can count on anybody. So I think I don't know exactly how Diggle. It's a good question. I don't know if I have the answer.
Are you excited for the 4-way crossover?
I'm excited for Diggle's reaction. I think as he watches Supergirl cross the horizon, one tear.
As he watches it fly.
I pictured him peeing on himself to the producer, so I pictured that as well.